Volcanoes, ancient forms of extreme strength. These majestic peaks provide us with some of the most beautiful displays of nature's elemental power, but also demonstrate their fleeting nature. They are to be feared as much as admired. Yet volcanoes do much more than spew out their lava innards. Indeed, they have enhanced or destroyed the development of countless nations. The island of Montserrat is a classic example of how a nation's development can be brought to a catastrophic halt. The 39-square-mile island once had a surprisingly strong economy for its size and was fast becoming a more developed country. All this changed on the 18th of July, 1995. The Soufriere Hills volcano, dormant for 3 centuries, erupted violently. Around 2/3 of the island was covered in ash, and the capital, Plymouth, was drowned in mud by the pyroclastic flows. Half the island was declared and remains off limits, and the loss of land meant that the inhabitants who were left no longer had an airport or major ports vital for trade. However, half the population emigrated and the economy plummeted to become one of the weakest in the world. Over the past decade, Montserrat has slowly begun to recover but remains undeveloped with a meager GDP. The inhabitants of Sicily, meanwhile, benefit from Mount Etna, the key feature, as well as creator, of their native island. The tallest active volcano in Europe, famed for its regular lava flows and ash rainfall, Etna attracts millions of tourists. Aside from the tourist economy the volcano brings, abundant crops of celebrated lemons, oranges, and Mediterranean vegetables could not flourish without the fertile soil Etna has nourished. From ashtrays to lampstands, the Mount's basalt mineral is put to myriad uses, with a GDP per capita dwarfing that of many mainland Italian states. Sicily is thriving. When Iceland's subglacial volcano, Eyjafjallajökull, erupted on 20th of March 2010, the primary international concern was for air travel and transportation. The volcano's previous minor belches had been trapped under the ice, with lava and ash freeze-thaw weathering to form tiny shards. With the 2010 eruption, new lava tunneled through the glacier, sending the shards kilometers into the air, ready to clog jet turbines. Until April 12th, flights from Western Europe and even areas of the USA's east coast were suspended, and many LED nations were unable to export the low-cost, perishable goods on which their economies rely. Kenya endured losses of £3.8 million a day as its flowers could not reach Europe. Airlines lost a total of £1.1 billion, although the environment was spared the 2.8 million tons of carbon dioxide planes would have released. The volcano can empower yet destroy. Over thousands of years, we have coexisted and continued to develop our relationship. Since 1995, Montserrat has built a volcanic observatory, feeding its economy. The ancient Greeks built an amphitheatre on Sicily's coast to honour Etna. Water in Iceland is heated geothermally by volcanoes, such as Eyjafjallajökull. The human race is undeniably both blessed and blighted by these tectonic titans.